Hey guys, Kurt here of NK Garage, and I'm in the shop today with Nick's dog Remy. She's hanging out, and we got a special Father's Day video today. So, a couple of months ago, my dad was asking me, he wanted a toolkit for his shed. He said to me, if you come across a toolbox with some tools in it, I could use some tools in the shed. So I went all out, and I picked this up at the flea market a few months ago. It was full of hardware, so I cleaned it out. The latches were broken, so I actually replaced them with latches from another Craftsman box. But I really like the Rally box because it's cool, it's a nice good size. He's putting it in his shed, so he doesn't need a lot, and it's USA made. And with that, I filled it up with all the tools I think he could use, and they are all USA made as well. So let's pop it open, and let's take a look at the little toolkit that I put together for my father. So in the top, got the keys for the box. I don't think he'll ever lock it, but you never know. I'm a big adjustable wrench guy, so I made sure he had at least 2 adjustable wrenches in here. So we have an 8-inch Crestalloy and a 12-inch diamond. Got a tape measure in here. You never know when you're going to need to measure something. So a 16-foot Stanley power lock. And a couple pairs of pliers, some in here, some down here. So I went for channel lock nippers, and this is a Utica needle nose pliers. In this section here, gave him a USA made slip joint. I didn't see any brand on it, but it does say forged in USA down here. Got him this True Cut USA straight jaw kind of vice grip style pliers, locking pliers. Crescent brand Lyman's pliers, always good to have those. Tongue and groove pliers. These are a Klein. Klein logo's right there. Nice, probably 12-inch. You always need a hammer, so I gave him one of my old ball peen hammers. I don't remember where I got it, but I've had it for a while, but we've got a lot, so it's a nice heavy one. And then we got a ratchet, Craftsman, 3/8 drive quick release. It's an old V series. And then in the drawers, I set them up with some sockets. So the ratchet's there, but here's all the 3/8 drive sockets. So I got a rail of metric, all Craftsman. We have metric deep, also all Craftsman, all USA. We've got SAE in shallow and SAE in deep, along with 2 spark plug sockets. So that's a pretty good 3/8 drive set, 3-inch and 6-inch extension, and like I said, all Craftsman, all USA made. I even lined the drawers in here just so there's just a nice drawer liner in there. And the bottom drawer, decided to give him this SK 1/4-inch drive set. So we got 3/8 drive and we got 1/4-inch drive. And this is a SK USA made set. I got this a while back. I've been trying to complete it. It had some missing sockets. So I had to fill in a couple sockets over here with Craftsman. So I've got like 7 or 8 Craftsman sockets in here, but those are all USA made as well. It's nice. It got shallow and deep for metric and SAE. You get the 2-inch and the 6-inch extension. You get the spinner handle and the knurled ratchet. So pretty nice little case. Fits in here nice and snug. With that, I gave him a magnetic bit screwdriver, Craftsman USA, and a whole set of all the bits I think he could use. We got all the Torx in here, flathead, there's Phillips, and even the square bits, the Robertson bits. So that should get him pretty much started. I know he's got a couple tools in the shed, but he was in need of a toolbox, and I figured for Father's Day this would be a great gift. All this stuff I probably picked over the last 2 months or so at the flea markets, pieced it here and there, and I'd say I have less than $50 invested in all this. So I thought it would be a nice little gift for Dad. Craftsman Rally box full of tools. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if there's anything you think I missed to put in the box. You know, basically the purpose of this is kind of just do quick little things, work on the lawn tractor, just make adjustments on stuff, you know, just cutters to restring a weed whacker, stuff like that. Not really auto mechanics, but just basic little stuff, taking apart things, putting things back together. I think it's a pretty good, nice little kit. So that is the gift for Dad. And that'll sum up today's tool review. But before we go, we'll say hi to Remy one more time. How you doing, Remy? Remy's a good dog. She likes hanging out here in the shop. We've been working on this back wall here. We're going to be kind of redoing the whole shop, just kind of cleaning it up, making it look better. But we got the wall painted white for now. We think we're going to do the pegboard. We're thinking about doing a very light gray on the pegboard. We'll probably paint all the pegboards throughout the shop kind of to match. You know, we like our little screwdriver holder down here. Nick sanded this and routed it the other day, and then I put a coat of natural stain on here. This is where I've gotten the Stanley 100 Plus collection. We're working on the Proto collection, and the SK collection is pretty far along as well. The Proto collection is growing. Still needs a bit, but I'd like to get it to kind of the same size that the Stanley 100 Plus and the SK collections are at. And then, of course, we've got our Proto adjustable wrench board. Still working on that. You know, I'd like to get all the Los Angeles tools on here. Pipe wrenches is part of the board, but as I probably told you guys before, these are just rigid. This one over here is a Toledo. I got to get the Proto Los Angeles pipe wrenches, but I can't ever seem to find them. So that's a goal, but we'll see what we can do there. But it's coming along. We got our new lighting in. That was in a few weeks ago. We're going to start working on the wall over here, because this is kind of the set for NK Garage, and also just kind of helps us with organization and cleanup. But yeah, we're kind of just patching and painting. We think we might be getting rid of these at some point coming soon. We're looking to get another metal storage cabinet. That's where we keep a lot of machinist stuff in there. So we'll probably put another one next to it. Get a couple more of these Vevor dispenser bins. We'll do that for the taps. So we'll have all of our taps, and that's what we keep in these. Over here, all these hardware bins, we converted them to tap bins. So they're all full of taps, all labeled different sizes. But we'd like to have the dispenser cabinets. We think that'll work better. Kind of clean it up, get kind of this little bit of a junky mess off the wall, and then we can do another tool board here. Pegboard and possibly another vintage tool board. So it's a little shop update for you guys, because I know it was a short video. But hope you enjoyed it. For all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. And let me know what you think. I think my father's going to be pretty happy with it. By the time this video comes out, it'll probably be in his hands. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys next week with another.